9. Beauty food recipes for glowing skin. Recipe 1. Peanut milk. Blend peanuts with milk and drink for a few days to improve skin, smoothness, and brightness. Recipe 2. Mung bean barley. Mix equal parts mung beans and barley. Stir fry until slightly burnt. Add 2 red dates and goji berries. Boil for 30 minutes to help with skin spots and dry eyes. Recipe 3. Turbid soup. Combine 15g mulberries, 5g hawthorn, and 1 to 3 tangerine peel in 800 ml of water. Boil, then simmer for 20 minutes. Drink regularly for clearer skin. Recipe 4. Apple and tangerine peel. Chop 1 red apple and add tangerine. Peel and 3 pitted red dates to 400 ml water. Boil for 15 minutes for a sweet and tangy drink that supports skin health. Recipe 5. Purple cabbage juice. Juice 50 drink purple. Cabbage in 150 gai. Apple with 250 ml water. This antioxidant-rich drink brightens skin and enhances digestion. Recipe 6. Tomato and lemon juice. Blend tomatoes with lemon and a pinch of salt. Drink for a boost in qi and blood, while cleansing the intestines. Recipe 7. Berry infusion. Mix 50-g blueberries, 50-g black mulberries, and 8g black wolfberries in 400 ml warm water for a refreshing antioxidant drink that supports skin beauty. Recipe 8. Honey-infused radish. Hollow out a white radish, add honey, and steam for 30 minutes. This remedy improves digestion and clears phlegm. Consistent consumption of these recipes will help achieve healthier, more radiant skin. Ginger honey beauty tea recipe. Ingredients: 12 pitted red dates, 30-g ginger sliced with skin, 3 grams dried golden chrysanthemums, 400 ml water, honey to taste. Instructions: 1. In a pot, combine the chrysanthemums, red dates, and sliced ginger. 2. Add 400 ml of water. 3. Bring to a boil and cook on medium heat for 15 minutes. 4. Remove from heat and let cool. 5. Once cooled, sweeten with honey according to your preference. Enjoy your nutritious beauty soup, which can enhance your skin's radiance and reduce the need for blush.